13 villages that lead to India's border with China have been cut off from the rest of Chamoli district due to the flash floods triggered on Sunday in Uttarakhand. Rescue agencies have been trying to establish contact with these villages. A zip line is being set up to send emergency supplies and to bring people to the other side of the river in case of medical emergencies. The access to these villages were cut off after suspension bridges were washed away in the floods. Twitter, asked by the government to block 1,178 accounts for allegedly spreading misinformation on farmers' protests and provocative content, said today that the orders were inconsistent with Indian law and that for some accounts it would restrict access within India instead of an outright worldwide ban. Twitter said, "We have not taken any action on accounts that consist of news media entities, journalists, activists and politicians. To do so, we believe would violate their fundamental right to free expression under Indian law." Aircraft carrier INS Virat's dismantling has been kept on hold by the Supreme Court, which also issued notice to the company that bought the ship from the government to be made into scrap. The Supreme Court's order comes on a petition by a group that offered to buy the decommissioned carrier for 100 crore rupees and convert it into a museum. Taking a jibe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his remarks in Rajya Sabha that the country should be cautious of a new community of people whom he called Andolan Jeevi, senior Congress leader P. Chidambaram on Wednesday said he is a proud Andolan Jeevi. In a tweet, he noted that the quintessential Andolan Jeevi was Mahatma Gandhi, a figure also celebrated by the BJP-ruled central government. Priyanka Chopra has spoken about why her nose suddenly started looking drastically different in the early 2000s. It happened because of a botched surgery and left the actor horrified at what had happened. Priyanka spoke about the incident in her recently released memoir, Unfinished. She discussed the fallout of the surgery and the tag Plastic Chopra that was given to her.